If you're looking for an ultra-compact wall charger with two USB-C ports, the Innergie C6 Duo can be your everyday carry. It's a travel-friendly size that packs 63-watt charging speed, great for any portable USB Type-C device and even power-hungry iPad Pros, MacBook Apple Silicon chip, as well as USB 4.0 or Thunderbolt 3 or Thunderbolt 4 based notebooks. This packs a punch while keeping it compact. Build quality is great. It's all glossy finish with a minimal design approach, very Apple-inspired design, and it gives the premium vibe and confidence, and it also matches with Apple products. Now on the front right here, we see the two USB-C ports that supports power delivery fast charging, and this is an iPhone 13 Pro Max as a size reference. I'm going to put it on the bottom, I'm going to put it near the camera bump, I'm going to go put it in the middle of the iPhone. As you can see, it's compact size. Now I have two versions for review and testing and validation. I have the US version as well as the UK version. Now the US version right here is the most compact of the bunch thanks to its integrated flip-up prong legs right here. So if you're not in use, it clicks back into position and you're good. It takes less space in your backpack. Now let's say if you're living in Asia like I do, definitely you may want to get the UK version, especially you live in Malaysia right here. So the UK version right here is similar like the US, just that on the ends right here they have the adapter prongs where you need to attach the included UK prongs right here. So to use it is nice. You just lock it into position. So one thing I like about this is you can use the prongs into 4 different directions. So this is direction number 1. You can flip it to the other direction. It'll look like so. Then I will just show from the bottom, that's easier. So this is direction number 1, direction number 2, and we can take it out, twist it to another side. You have direction number 3 and direction number 4. So you can use the prongs in 4 different directions to suit your cable routing needs. Now, if you travel frequently like I do, definitely you may want to consider getting their World Travel Plug Kit right here that has the US, EU, UK and Australia adapter heads right here. So this is the supported countries. The adapters are following the same mechanics right here. On the bottom is the twist lock mechanism. So there is all 4 of them right here that comes in that package. So with this adapter right here, you can lock into two different modes and 4 different positions. I would say get them if you are a frequent traveler like me who travels on a regular basis. Before we talk about the Innergie C6 Duo charger performance, Innergie do sell fast charging cables that is compatible with this charger as well as other chargers in their lineup. The first cable we're going to take a look is the USB-C to USB-C cable right here. In closer perspective, this is a 1.8 meters long, 4mm thick dual-tone nylon braided cable that is also tangle-free. So I love tangle-free experience and I love tangle-free cables right here. And they also included a Velcro strap for easy cable management. So a plus point right there. But jokes aside, this cable right here is built tough. So one thing is they are overflex guarded, so you can twist it into awkward positions. The cable will not snap internally or break apart or come out from the housing. So don't do what I just did. This is just a demonstration purposes. This is meant to build and last long for a lot of pull-ins and pull-outs. Now, when it comes to the data rate transfer, this is 480 megabits per second. That's about USB 2.0 speeds. But more importantly is this cable right here supports 100 watts charging, 20 volts at 5 amps charging, thanks to its built-in e-marker chip right here. So the e-marker chip will read with the PD charger and your device that accepts PD charging and maximize the charging speeds as soon the e-marker chips is read. Now, aside from that, we can also take a look at their second cable. This is their USB-C to Lightning cable. So it's a similar quality like the previous cable, just that the main head right here is Lightning. This cable supports 3 amps maximum charging speeds. So it's about 27 to 30 watts charging. Now, this cable right here is certified by Apple M5 compatible Lightning accessory. So when you hook it up to, your iPhone 13 Pro Max, this is a genuine Apple accessory. So aside from that, we also have another cable where you can use the charger to charge your notebook PCs, those that is not using the USB Type-C standard right here. So this is the Innergie USB-C to tip cable DC laptop cable right here. So this is 1.5 meters long, 3mm silicone cable. It supports charging from 45 watts to 100 watts charging, and they provided the tips right here, 6 different tips that supports all the major brands. So I recently tested on the Acer Ultrabook, it works fine. Then my friends Dell, it works fine, and Yumi's old Asus, surprisingly, it works fine. So the tip actually looks something like this. So I'm going to pull it out and show in closer perspective right here. So these are adapters where you can put it in a small pouch and carry along with you. So let's say if you are using, say, a HP or a Dell, let's say Lenovo right here, right? This adapter right here. So to use the cable is quite easy. You go to the cable, align it accordingly, and just attach it, and you are good to go. You can start charging with the charger itself. Now, just one side note right here. Let's say if the package does not come with the tip or the adapter that fits your product, you can actually visit Innergie's site to register your product and ask for the tip that you need. So it's a good customer support where if you don't have that adapter, you can always ask them for the adapter as well. For charging standards, both ports right here supports Power Delivery 3.0 as well as PPS charging. Now, each port right here is capable at 60 watts maximum output charge, and I managed to trigger individually PD charging as well. So on the top, on the corner there, that is my actual test. Aside from that, if both ports are used simultaneously, their maximum output is 63 watts. Now, I also did the test where I trigger one port to be PD, another port to be just normal quick charge. It works. I also trigger both ports, and both ports can be triggered into doing both in PD mode as well. So aside from that, this charger supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 4.0 as well in Apple mode for Apple device charging. It works as advertised. But here is a detailed diagram of how each port is maxed out and the total power output when two ports are used together, as well as the quick summary of each port's voltage, amperage, and wattage. There is also 5 types of charging protection in place to protect your charger and your devices that you're charging. So here's a quick summary. The Innergie C6 Duo is highly portable and pocketable charger, good for travels and cafe hopping. And I always recommend getting a 60-watt charger for charging hungry powered device and your smartphone simultaneously, because like for example the Macbook M1 Pro or any USB 4.0 or Thunderbolt 3 or Thunderbolt 4 USB devices, they do need a lot of power to juice them up. So if you go like lower wattage like 40 watts, it's doable, just that your device charge a little bit slower. If you do like 30 watts, it just basically you barely can charge up the MacBook Pro because it's just trickle charging. So 60 watts is the optimized wattage output just to charge hungry power device and your smartphone or your tablet or any cameras and drone simultaneously. Plus, the PD works as advertised on each port right here. The cables that I use is amazing, and more importantly is this is a good alternative or affordable way to replace your Apple stock chargers that is bulky in size and much more expensive to replace. Plus, the chargers right here is backed by 3 years warranty from Delta. So I think it's a bargain at the price point that they're offering. Would I recommend this charger? Definitely, because it works from my tests. I'm impressed with the quality, and overall it's affordable. And I'll leave links into the video description as well as the first pin comment where you can purchase them overseas, and for the Malaysians I also put the Malaysian links so you guys can check it out as well. So remember to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what chargers should I review from Innergie. What do you think about Innergie's charger overall? Have you have any experience? Are you looking to replace your Apple charger? And if you are wanting to replace your Apple charger, what are the wattage are you looking at to replace your charger? Let me know in the comments. I would like to know so I can prepare my next video for you guys. In the next few videos, I'll be also releasing another Innergie charger product as well. I'm going to keep it a secret, and stay tuned, subscribe, and see that video once it is out. Till then, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next review. Ta-da! Thumbs up.